If you're having trouble performing a regular push-up, guess what? I had the same problem too. In today's video, I'm going to show you another variations of exercise that you can use to slowly progress yourself into an actual push-up. So today, I want to show you how to do an incline push-up. Coming up. I want to quickly talk about a basic movements that it will work with all these movements that I'm about to show you. The first one is going to be our hand positioning, okay? Our hand positioning is going to be very crucial. So first, what I want you to do is put your palm up like that, and then you can lower your palm right by your chest. Your thumb should be right around your nipple area. This is going to be the hand placement, okay? So what you want to do is every time you push, your hand should be right by your chest. Your elbow is at a 45-degree angle. So at a 45-degree angle, your back muscle, it would help you to push up as well. It also stabilizes your body. So that's gonna give you a stronger push. The second thing I want you to focus on is throughout the exercise, we wanna make sure we engage our core and we wanna engage our glutes. So in another way is tighten up your belly and tighten up your butt. Once you tighten up your butt, your leg muscle would tense up as well. This way, we can make sure our push-up movements, our body is in a straight line. We want to make sure our body is in a very strong position. By doing this, it's going to ensure that we have a perfect form. All right, so with those 2 points in mind, we can apply these into any of the push-up, that progression that I'm about to show you, okay? All right guys, so right now I'm gonna show you how to perform an incline push-up. So what you need to perform an incline push-up, if you're gonna perform this exercise at home, I would suggest using a table, push it against the wall, that it's nice and stable and safe, okay? So what you're gonna do is, again, with any of the push movements, like I have said before, the hand positioning and tightening the core, tightening up the glutes, that is your fundamental, okay, for all throughout the push exercise. So we're gonna be doing the same thing, going about one step behind towards the table, going down, and then making sure your back is straight. My hand is directly under my chest. I'm lifting up my heel, so this is gonna help me tighten up my glutes. Now I'm tightening up my core. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. With this exercise, I want you to aim to do 20 reps per set, and we want to do 4 sets with 45 seconds rest in between. If you're not able to do 20 reps, that's okay. Do the best you can until failure, rest for 45 seconds and do it again, okay? You will work your way up to 20 reps. If you can do 20 reps, I want you to increase the intensity. Now, how do we increase intensity? We can just lower the objects closer to the wall. So right now I'm using a folding table, but we can always use a chair. So right now I have set up 2 chairs. We can still perform our incline. This is how we're gonna increase our intensity. Noticing that I'm a lot lower compared to the folding table. So again, same principle apply. Hand right under your chest, straight back, tight glutes, lift my heel up, tight core, and push down. Up, 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 down, up. Making sure my body is straight and nice and strong. Down, up. You're gonna feel the stretch on your chest. Up. And this is how you perform an incline push-up. On your Max merch store is a fitness-related design that is motivating, funny, and sometimes sarcastic. The print-on-demand store is a great environmentally friendly way to shop for your next t-shirt, hoodies, or your phone case because they do not carry any inventory. When you want it, we'll print it and ship it to you so we don't waste any resource that will pollute the environment. Make sure to check it out. Find your Max merch store, and the links are in the description down below. Now, back to the topic. Hey guys, I hope this video helps. This is something that you can easily do at home. Start practicing, learning what muscle group to engage to perform the exercise. So I have created a free fitness workout plan that people can use to start off their fitness journey. The links are in the description down below. Make sure to check them out. I also have a playlist on fitness beginner series where everything we talk about from workout, nutrition, and mindset. So make sure to check them out after this. All right, until next time, peace.